Now obviously once you log into the main area, you'll notice that this is telling me that you're using WordPress 3.0.1, and right now you can also tell by looking down here at the bottom. It says WordPress 3.0.1. So those are the two different places where you can kind of see that there are some changes. Now there have been a ton of different changes that you can do inside of here, but for the most part that's kind of how you can check this. You'll also notice that right off the bat you have a new theme called 2010. So if I take a look at that actual site, this is what the site looks like now. It's very, very different from the default theme. Now, I can always just come back over here and go into my appearance panel, and instead of the appearance panel, you should have a theme section. So you'll notice that right off the bat, you have 2010 1.1. So the reason that they called it 2010 is because they want to be able to create new themes that are going to be just kind of default themes that are going to sit there. You also have the option to be able to install any themes right from this one area here. So you still do have an install theme option here available, but 2010 is the new theme, and I kind of like 2010. I think it's very customizable for somebody who wants to be able to get off a quick theme setup. Now, a lot of the times people usually like Kubrick. So I can go into the install theme section and go to Kubrick, click on search, and there's the default theme. If I wanted to be able to install that, I can get and just click on the install button here, install now. It downloads that, and you have the option to be able to activate it. And now if you go over here and you do a refresh, it brings you back to the very, very basic theme. If you need to switch back and forth, now it's just a question of just activating this new theme. So right off the bat, the first thing that we'll notice is that theme change, but you do have the option to be able to jump back and forth. In the next lesson, we'll talk about how to be able to change headers for this, as well as design a new header for this theme in WordPress.